Do I say anything?
I don't know. Explain what you're doing.
Okay. So today we're making clear slime, but it's gonna be for like fall. So we have these nice sequins. They're leaves. You can't tell. So we're just gonna pour a gallon of clear glue into the bucket. It farted. Okay. And then we're gonna put our decorations, meaning our glitters. See, this is how they look. They're like, here, put them in the little. They're like little like leaves for fall. Oh God, that was too much. It's okay, it's okay. All right. And then I have like a cake mix thingy. So we're just gonna mix that up. This is like a fall kind of thing. For fall. I said that already, but yeah.
Mix it up good.
Real good.
I'm sorry, did you not want the cameraman's opinion?
I don't care.
I'll be quiet.
And then here's how it looks.
It's your video, I'm sorry.
Here coming the.
Andrea, can you move
I
out of the
Sit on the
way?
bed real quick. Oh no. Pause it. Pause it.
Go.
Alright, we're back. Sorry about that, folks. Anyways, so this looks really nice right now. It's very, that's not a word. It's really clear. Alright, and then we're just going to add our borax solution. The reason why it's blue is because I dyed it blue. I don't know why, because now all my slimes are going to come out blue. But, yeah, I dyed it blue. So, we're just going to add that in.
It looks green, I know.
I know, right? And then you'll right away see that it's going to start to clump up.
One.
Sorry about that again. We're horrible YouTubers.
Yes.
Anyways, so as you can see, it's already starting to clump up. And we're just going to add some more. Okay, I'm not even going to say sorry about that because it's already getting old. So, anyways.
We're already like 3 minutes in.
Right. So, anyways, it's already clumping up like a lot. And
It
once.
smells horrible.
Like what?
It smells like alcohol.
That's because it's borax. It has sodium borate and all that smart stuff that I don't know in it.
Adam would know.
Right.
Bob's for dogs.
My slime station is really messy, and that's because, I mean, it's crafts basically, so it's gonna get messy. So if it gets messy, like when you're making this, don't worry. It's kind of easy to clean up. So yeah.
Hi.
If you hear like talking in the background, it's my
That's
cousin.
my little sister.
Yeah.
Well, my little sister, her cousin.
Yeah, she's having fun with the slime over there. She's playing with the monster slime.
The purple one. Show it to the camera, Andrea. I said show it to the camera, not smile to the camera. That's good too, though. Good job, kid.
We'll practice later. No, I'm just kidding.
We'll practice later. Don't worry.
And my desk is like
Why is
chipped.
that cup jiggly?
I don't know. And my desk is like chipped at the moment because it's old. So yeah.
Glittery.
Is it?
Keep an eye on the camera, woman.
I am. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. Ignore me.
I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go look at the baby.
Okay. Close that up.
Close the door.
And the door, too.
I'm gonna come back up after.
Alright. Uh-oh, the baby's crying.
I'll be right back.
Okay, so as you can see, it's already turning into slime. except it's a bit still too sticky. So I'm just going to add some more. I'm actually just going to add the rest of it. Oh, God. Alright. So I just added the rest of the borax solution. They have more, so it's fine.
Now it smells like cleaning supplies.
Like what? Yeah, because this is basically like a laundry detergent. Borax.
That's what it smells like.
Yeah, that's what borax is. But it's like in a powder
You forgot
form.
a leaf.
Poor leaf. Got separated from its family.
Well, now it got added back in thanks to me. Oh.
This is actually a color changing slime, because like in the dark it just looks like. Here, let me turn this off. Well, I can't turn that off because my fingers are slippery, but she will. Anyways,
Ow. Did you hear that? My hand
so
cracked.
like in the, I don't know if you could see it, but like in the light it just looks like a light blue, and then turn the light back on. And then in here, it's like a dark blue, kind of. But yeah. Alright, we're going to put it back in the bowl because it still needs more borax.
Do you have more?
There's still some more in the bowl.
Oh.
Yeah. Ugh. These leaves are very pointy. Like, feel the tip of this.
Ow.
Imagine, like, squeezing that and not knowing that it's there.
Right.
Yeah, I just did that.
Ouch. Are you
hurts.
okay?
No. Not
Aw. Do you need a Band-Aid?
really. No, I'm fine. Actually,
Hey, can you spare some of your pencils and pens?
yes.
Thank you.
Actually, my my
I feel shitty for asking,
Nah, it's alright.
but as I said before, I'm a poor cunt.
Alright, so this is our slime.
Sorry for swearing, but it's true.
This is our slime. I hope you guys
Woo!
like the
Like,
video.
comment, subscribe, favorite, all that shit. If you dislike, I will kill you. Serious. I'll hunt you down, gut you like a fish.
They're gonna report that.
I'm kidding. I'm not gonna kill you.
What?
What?
I go, what? Anyways. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, leave all that good shit. I mean, what? Leave all that good stuff.
I mean, what? I have to
And-
age restrict this video.
Oh God. And then yeah, just
Only
have,
people 18 and over can watch it.
Right. Have a good day. Have a good night, day, afternoon, whatever it is in your time zone. Anyways, goodbye.
That's my cue. I gotta go.
Okay, bye.